it is that time of the year again where Apple releases all of its hardware for the end of the year to carry us over into the next year. In today's video, we have the new Apple Watch Series 10 in that jet black colorway. That was a hit years ago on the actual, I think it was the iPhone 9 that had that jet black color. It was awesome. It's still an aluminum case with that new process of having it glossy. Yeah, I'm actually excited about this. We'll have plenty of videos on the channel. We're going to do plenty of comparisons to the Ultra 2 as well. But for now, let's jump in to the Series 10. So the Apple Watch Series 10 packaging looks very similar to what we've seen years past. Obviously, as you can see here though, this does tell us it is a Series 10 46mm jet black aluminum GPS, no cellular built into this specific model we got. Opening it's pretty easy. Again, same as last year, you can either just pop this tab back, or if you want to get fancy, you can push these back and slide it right off. And as you open it, you will be greeted with your watch band of choice. We obviously went with that somewhat of a peach looking Nike band. We'll set that to the side for now. And then obviously the star of the show, the jet black Series 10 in that pretty tiny packaging. Again, nothing new. You do have your outlines of all the different Apple Watch Series 10 watches with the different band offerings. Again, pretty comparable and similar to what it was last year. Here it is, again, in flesh. Finally, they brought back one of the fan favorite color options, that space or jet black. So, as has been in the past, we have two tabs on the side to get this baby opened. Flip it right down, and there we are. So, unsurprisingly here, we're going to have our new Apple Watch Series 10 charger, and it does charge faster than last year's model. It is a USB-C to somewhat of a magnetic disc. Again, same as it has been. So yeah, set that to the side. Here is our single page reading material, and what's pretty funny is they actually have this little plastic sleeve over it for whatever odd reason, acting like it's keeping more than one item in place. Who knows why? Chuck that to the side. And then the star of the show, again, that jet black Apple Watch in 46mm. So let's pop it right out of its little housing. You can rip this if you want. I am weird. I like to keep it together just in case. And here it is, turning right on right off the bat. And take a look at just how thin this baby is. That is a really, really, really good looking Apple Watch, to be honest with you. It almost looks like they took last year's model and just smushed it, kind of put it face down. So, one big call out too, and I'll go ahead and get all this set up very soon, but coming from an Ultra 2, it is pretty jarring just how substantial of a size difference this is. You are getting somewhat of a more different, it's really hard to capture on camera, speaker grill here. It's somewhat comparable to, again, what the Watch Ultra has, but not by much. But then, yeah, you have all your sensors arrays and all of that. You can see it does say Series 10 on the back here. I really like how this looks, and specifically how the bezels obviously blend into the screen real estate. So let's go ahead and get this set up. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish getting this baby set up. As you can see, right as always, when you bring an Apple Watch close to your iPhone, it gives you that prompt to get everything set up. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and get it set up for myself, obviously. Do our typical scan. And it should begin its process for us momentarily. Okay. So, as you saw very briefly, it is actually going to let us obviously add a second watch to our account. We obviously have our Ultra 2 that we talked about. Let's get this baby all finished getting set up. Right off the bat though, you can see just how nice of a larger display. While this finishes syncing, let's go ahead and look at our Apple Watch bands that we have. So, obviously we've already talked about our Ultra, and we'll be doing that separate video on that. But for now, this is one of those new Nike watch bands, like I said, in that Magic Ember, as it's being called. Let's go ahead and open this right up and throw this on this jet black Series 10. So here it is right off the bat. Let's go ahead and pop it out. And I actually think that looks like a really nice colorway. So, slide these right on. And there you go. So again, I think this looks really good. Let's go ahead and actually put it on the wrist. And there you are. So if you wanted something of a different, more vibrant colorway, this might not be a bad choice for you. And then also what we have is one of the other Nike bands that I thought looked really good. And this is it. This is known as the Blue-Red Nike Sport Loop. So let's go ahead and open this one up as well. And this is what that one looks like. And yeah, that's pretty sharp. If you want something of a different band, I like the way they have these tabs here. Let's take a look at this one. And there you go. So yeah, I think this looks really good. And you can see exactly how they look next to each other. Let's pop this one off. And put this on. Always hard to do the bottom one for me. There we go. Okay. So, let's go ahead and slide this baby on. And there you are. So, I don't know if a lot of people are going to like the tag actually right there or not. I do wish it was a little more subtle, but it doesn't really get in the way, and this actually feels really good also. For those of you that are new to the channel, we do love all of these Nomad bands. This is actually 2 of their different bands, just kind of put together to get mix and match colorways. We have a ton of different options here that we have been collecting for a number of years now, and you can definitely not go wrong with any of those as well if you so choose. These will all work from the Apple Watch Ultra 2 to the new Series 10. So we're in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Nomad. We purchased all these with our own money as well. I'll throw those links up down below if you're interested in those. But yeah, there's going to be plenty of other options, and we'll be doing those accessory videos here in the very near future. Let's wait to get this finished updating. Just as a new call out along the way as well, we actually do have a live activity tracker basically for when you are setting up your Apple Watch. And you can see it even lets you know Apple Watch is syncing, your Apple Watch is almost ready. Pretty neat. And there we are. Just got the alert. Welcome to Apple Watch. Everything is synced, ready to go. Let's start it up. And you can take a tour if you want. Obviously, we are pretty familiar with it being on the beta. We're going to skip it. And here we are. This is the new Series 10. So I can tell you right off the bat too, let's get logged in again. Everything looks very good, very similar. Not too much craziness going on to it. If you're familiar with, obviously, any of the older series Apple Watches, this isn't going to be a surprise to you, but you can see exactly how bigger these displays are on this one here. If you want to go ahead and edit watch faces, add watch faces, obviously everything is still the same. We're not going to do a whole walkthrough on them. I will show you some of those new ones really quick on here. Flux is one, and you can obviously change how you want the numerals to look depending on the different languages. The style, if you want it to be an outline or filled, we'll leave it filled, and the colors. We'll go ahead and use, let's go with this one right here. Actually, I like that pattern. Let's go with this. So once you do that, what is new on this Apple Watch is actually that it can go all the way down to 1 hertz, which means you can see that second hand now, always, even when the screen is dimmed. So nice improvement. It's nice to see those seconds always counting down. And then obviously when you lift your hand up, you can see it in full color. So we'll go ahead and do our full walkthrough of this at a later time. I just wanted to show you guys what to expect with the new Apple Watch Series 10 unboxing experience and how that display looks. Kind of very comparable to a Ultra now. Love it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.